Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Mom of 3A's. And if this is your first time, I'm Karen. So today I'm just showing you what we've done to our property front yard before we moved out. So what I did was just surround our maple tree with some bricks, and I chose to do a square shape instead of circle. It was pretty simple. I bought my bricks at Home Depot, as well as the mulch. So that's all you will need, and of course a little small gardening shovel. So what I've done, I used 3 bricks on each side since it's a square, and then I dug a little bit around it to bury the bricks so they won't move, and then I added the mulch inside. So that was pretty simple, and I hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna let you watch, and of course you can leave a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any other suggestion, or if you have done some work like that before, please leave it down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You have a good day.